Good afternoon and welcome to Kingsbridge. My name's Harry. I'm just going to show you around this Audi TT that's just landed in stock with us. This is a 2017 67 plate and it's the TT Sport Quattro 2.0 Tfsi with the S-Tronic gearbox in Scuba Blue. It's basically the same as Navara Blue. Really nice. Bison headlights. It's a really nice spec, this. It's different to the usual white, black, silver, grey, and the interior on this. It's going to be a bit Marmite, this. I personally love it, but I know there's going to be some people that hate this, but I think it looks mega. Front and rear parking sensors. These lovely 18-inch alloy wheels. It's got Pirellis all around. They're all over sort of 5mm. Bodywork's in really lovely condition. I think it's had 3 owners in total. Full service history, the vast majority of it Audi. I think the last one was an Audi specialist. Comfort and sound pack. So you have got your Bang & Olufsen sound system and that sort of lovely tan Alcantara. The tan Nappa leather super sport seats with that quilting. I absolutely love it. I think it's really nice. I know some people aren't going to like it, but I really like it. And then everything else sort of in black roof lining. Very important feature on these, heated seats, the Deluxe climate control. It's air conditioning, but climate control, single climate control, another option in these. The original TT rubber floor mats, which are in lovely condition. The whole car actually is in really nice condition for its age and for its mileage. Absolutely lovely. It's done 33,500-ish. But all the alloys, absolutely lovely. There's no marks on them. It's been very well cared for. I think this car would benefit from a 2-stage paint correction ceramic coating. We do offer that here at Kingsbridge to a very high standard. If you are interested in that, ask us more about it. You've still got the rubber boot liner, again in lovely condition. So let's just come up from there. Underneath there, you've still got gloves and the original all the original bits in there, locking wheel nut, high vis, various tools, etc. in there. But it's a nice colour combination, this. It's something different. You get a bit bored of everything just being black interior and boring colours. But just a really nice example, this. Been very well looked after, this car. So jumping on to the interior, it's basically got every single optional extra you could possibly want on this thing. I think the only thing it doesn't have is the auto dimming folding mirrors. Other than that, it's got everything. So on there you obviously got your reversing camera, the Audi virtual cockpit, and in here, if we keep going back, you've got your drive mode select on there, so efficient, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual. All your sound for your Bang & Olufsen sound system, DAB radio, all of your media system on there as well. So on your media, you've actually got quite a lot in there that you don't really see anymore. It's got CD, DVD, SD, USB, auxiliary, Wi-Fi, online media. If you do stick a SIM card in these, it can do loads of bits online as well. What else we got? It's got the smartphone interface as well, so Apple CarPlay, Android Auto almost, Audi Connect, which is your online Audi systems, and then obviously your satellite navigation on there as well. And on the view on these cockpits, you can change your view to whatever it is you like best. Some background light and some other bits and bats in there. Auto high beam assist, which you'll just notice down there when it focuses. So auto high beam assist. You've got lane keep assist on there as well. You've got cruise control, speed limiter, automatic lights, automatic wipers. Obviously the flat bottom, multi-function steering wheel, voice command, and then obviously parking sensors, traction control, stop start, all on there. Push button start down there. Your S-Tronic gearbox, adjustable armrest, which is nice. Just a really nice example, this. It's been very well looked after. It's going to take someone a little bit weird like me to like this interior, 'cause I think It's very individual, this. But blue and tan for me, I really like it. On Mercedes stuff, there's a very similar colour to this that comes with like a light, sort of bony coloured, porcelain coloured interior, which we do really well in. So I imagine someone out there is going to absolutely love this thing. But really nice example. So that one is up on the website. So if you are interested in any more information on this, please do give us a shout. Any of the team here will be happy to help. If you are interested in keeping up to date with stuff that we get coming in here at Kingsbridge, please do subscribe to the channel. We upload every car that we get in stock and we'll keep you up to date. But there you go. That's our lovely 2017 67 Audi TT Sport Coupe Quattro in Scuba Blue with that lovely tan Nappa leather interior. Mega spec on it. Thanks again for watching. We shall see you on the next one. Cheers.